The universe is massive, too massive to imagine, but in one small corner of it lies our home, the solar system. Let's simplify it. At the center of everything is the sun, a giant ball of glowing gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. It's so big that it makes up 99.8% of the solar system's total mass, 330,000 times more massive than Earth. Its gravity holds every planet, moon, and asteroid in orbit. Without it, nothing else would exist. And without the sun's warmth and light, there would be no life at all. Every world, every orbit, every moment of warmth, all made possible by this one star. Closest to the sun is Mercury, small, rocky, and scorching hot. It has no air to trap heat, so days here are burning hot while nights are freezing cold. A single day lasts longer than a year. A planet of extremes, silent, ancient, and mysterious. Next comes Venus, a planet almost the same size as Earth, but wrapped in thick, toxic yellow clouds that trap heat. Its atmosphere holds sunlight like a blanket, making Venus even hotter than Mercury. Some call it Earth's twin, but this twin could melt metal. It's the hottest planet of all. Then there's Earth, our home, the only known world with liquid water, air to breathe, and life to live. Here, the perfect balance of distance, sunlight, and atmosphere creates the fragile miracle we call home. When seen from space, Earth is just a small blue dot, but to us, it's everything. Beyond Earth lies Mars, the red planet. Its dusty surface and giant volcanoes hint at a past filled with water. Someday humans may call it their second home. Between Mars and Jupiter stretches a field of rocky leftovers, fragments that never formed a planet. This is the asteroid belt, a silent highway of drifting stones circling the sun. Then comes Jupiter, the giant of the solar system. More than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Its swirling storms and colorful clouds make it a planet of chaos and beauty. Next up, Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings. Those rings aren't solid. They're billions of pieces of ice and rock orbiting in a delicate, endless, perfectly balanced dance. One of the most iconic sights in the universe. Then we meet Uranus, tilted so much it seems to roll around the sun on its side. Its pale blue color comes from methane gas in its atmosphere. Its faint rings and icy clouds give it an otherworldly glow. It's quiet, cold, and strange, a reminder that not all worlds follow the same rules. And finally, Neptune, found at the edge of our solar system. Cold, deep blue, and stormy. Winds there blow faster than the speed of sound on Earth, and faster than anywhere else in the solar system. Beyond Neptune, the solar system doesn't just stop. There lies the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy worlds, dwarf planets like Pluto, and countless frozen comets and ancient remnants of creation, quietly drifting through the dark, circling the sun from billions of miles away. And even farther still, the mysterious Oort cloud, a distant shell of icy debris marking the outer boundary of our sun's reach. From the sun's fiery heart to the frozen edges of space, every world tells a story of creation, motion, and endless wonder. All of it, every planet, moon, and asteroid, is held together by the light of one star, a tiny family in an endless ocean of stars. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, every bright dot could have its own version of home. The solar system isn't just where we live. It's our story of belonging in the universe. This was the Solar System Simplified. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for more easy-to-understand journeys into science, life, and beyond.